Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today working on a Beta 200RR. This bike comes with a gas cap that has a one-way valve inside the cap. It's this green piece right here. I'm going to show you guys how to take this out. This is a quick tech tip to keep these bikes running good. If this valve goes bad when you're riding, it won't let air into the tank. It'll starve your carburetor of fuel and your bike will die on you like it ran out of gas. So let me show you how to take this out. Alright guys, it's really simple. I'm using a pair of channel locks. All you got to do is grab it. They're not in there really tight, so they're just kind of pressed in there. Grab it, rotate it a couple of times, and you just pull it out. That's it. Some people gut this and stick it back in there. No need for that. I'm going to leave that sucker right out of there and put this on. This is the same way the caps are when they're on dirt bikes and everything, for off-road use only. These are for the street, so it doesn't dump any fuel out. If you're worried about fuel, you can try to keep this one on, or you can put a one-way valve in the line itself so that it only lets air in and doesn't let the fuel out. You can put it in line, and that'll help you accomplish the same thing, and it'll be reliable. These go bad. It went bad and got me stranded on the trail. So that's how you take it out, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell for further notifications. I got more beta videos coming at you. Until next time, it's Tepcocyclerepair.